That's all.
Hey guys! My Macca's is here! Where's the Pokemon toy? Where's my toy? The fuck is this?
You better have something
What
good
the
when
fuck?
I reload the YouTube live stream.
They got Pokemon cards! What the fuck, Macca's? That's crazy! Alright, here we go. Got Pokemon card opening. Is Kai there? Kai, talk in the chat, man. Say something. I got my fucking Macca's. First we got... Where is it? You see it? It's... Growlife. I know that guy. Yeah, little fire tiger. Next we got... Dynamo. Ooh, we're going up in life. And next we got... Lapras. Damn. Little turtle thing. And next we got... What the fuck? Cutie Fly. I didn't know that was the name of a Pokemon. Cutie Fly. Look at that. Now I'm a Pokemon card collector. Look at this one. It's all shiny. It's got a shiny background.
Shiny background.
Yeah, man. Alright then. Let me go put these inside of a plastic casing. We got the burger. Did they put my bacon in it? Oh, they put the bacon in it. Sorry, I'm doing this again. Oh, you can't look at this because you'll steal my fucking Monopoly things, you bitch. Discovery for you guys, alright? We're doing some hash brown plus sweet and sour sauce. Now I don't know what you're saying. That sounds disgusting. But don't knock it till you try it, so I'm gonna dwell where no one else has gone. Let's see what happens. What the fuck is that? Hell nah. Fuck that shit. Play the fucking video.
Disturbing. Everybody remembers Dying for Pie. It's an all-time
I
classic.
didn't get the
episode
Kit
from
Kat
season 2.
McFlurry. I forgot to
Personally,
order
I think
it.
this is one... So this scene might have struck you as a little strange when you first watched it, but in reality, it should strike you as downright horrifying. And here's why. SpongeBob SquarePants is a show about